Well, we have a breaking news coming in exclusively on CVR English. Amid this pandemic situation that has been prevailing in the country, Ministry of Home Affairs releases guidelines regarding the Independence Day, upcoming Independence Day celebrations. Prime Minister Modi is also expected to address in this pandemic situation on Independence Day, and Home Ministry releases certain guidelines for Independence Day celebration, stating that social distancing should be maintained and the gathering also should be with less audience. MHA's advisory is to ensure social distancing and less gathering, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also expected to address amid these pandemic in the country on Independence Day. Breaking news coming in amidst the pandemic situation that has been prevailing in the country. Ministry of Home Affairs releases certain advisory guidelines that should be followed during the Independence Day celebrations. That is yet to come. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also expected to address during the Independence Day, and Ministry of Home Affairs advisory is to maintain social distancing and have less audience. These are some of the guidelines that has been released by the Ministry of Home Affairs on regarding the upcoming Independence Day celebrations that would be taking place across the country.